So the cushions from Millie always look dated. Yeah, insert picture here. We washed them when we first got Millie. The ones that we could remove, we unzipped, but in the washing machine, they kind of came up okay. We used a kind of vanish scrub on the others. However, we need a better solution. So this video is all about cushions and soft furnitures. And yeah, and also one of the cushions, there was a cushion missing, which I never quite liked, and they wanted that resolved. And so I'm now thinking and doing cushions and cushion covers. And if you're interested in this video, then please stay around, click subscribe, etc. So first thing to do is to take all the stuff out from Millie, put it in the garage, prepare her for winter, but also prepare her for the renovation. So as you see, Jess is doing all the work and I'm sat here looking pretty. Now she's going to hand it to me out through the window and we're going to put it straight into the garage, into storage. Okay, some of the things I wanted to do was a before video, before we actually start painting and decorating and making Millie look even better. So here's a quick video of what she looks like at the moment. Okay, so this middle sponge cushion never fitted. It was never the actual cushion that was supposed to come with a motorhome, I don't think. So these are just, you know, haphazard spare cushions to kind of fill that gap up. So what I did is I went and ordered some special sponge to be cut. Measure the gap here. 70 centimeters on a bit of an overlay. To 46, maybe 46, 47. Let's get online. Okay, so I found a really good website, GBfoamdirect.co.uk, and you just put your sizing, what shape you want it, curved corners, etc. Has all the different types of cushions and also what kind of material, what you're going to use it for, and it does everything from house cushions to motorhome bedding and quite good price as well. So I'm going to put in the sizing, put in the details, and then see what. Just gonna get it ordered. Oh, that's a sponge, and that came quickly. That was less than a week. As you can see, it fills that gap quite well. I think the cushion covers are going to be challenging for this end. So, too many cushions. We decided to slightly declutter. and also make the cushion orientation in Millie a lot more simpler. So I need to get rid. So as you can see, it's a lot more cleaner with less cushions. And these cushions at the back never really fitted, so I don't think they were originally with the motorhome. It was just too tight, and also means making the bed up in the evening a lot more simpler. And also, I can't get cushion covers to fit the small ones, so we may get some throw cushions or something to put in that space. Now let's measure the cushions I'm keeping. So I found a website, Shein. That's the kind of colour we're going for. Let's see how it looks inside of Millie. But it comes into different sizes. With my measuring, I think I need 3 single seats for the back, and then for the sides we're going for 4 of the 3-seaters. So there's 2 weeks waiting for the seat covers. So what can I do in 2 weeks, eh? Doobie-doobie-doo. Gotta kill some time, haven't I? Madame Gazelle is taking Peppa Pig and her friends to the zoo for the day. It's here! They're not Chinese, but we'll get them open and see what they look like actually on. And that might be the big one. I ordered 4, and that might be the long one, so let's see what they look like on. Let's see what they look like opening. Well, they're super soft. First impressions, looking at the stitching. You look at the quality of the stitching. That's the elastic, good quality bit of elastic. And then the seams, they're all kind of, there you go. Oh, very good quality. Let's see what they actually look like on. I'm guessing this is the 3-seater that I ordered. Let's try them on. Let's try them on this first. First impressions looking quite good. Plenty of space and cushion here, but I'm liking that. And you see there's quite a lot of room. Overall, that's a good fit. So the other cushions came. The other cushion covers came a lot quicker than the original order, to be honest. So your delivery time frames from Shein tends to be slightly fluctuating, would I say, but certainly within 2 to 3 weeks you'll get your products, and they're well worth waiting for. This is the single cushion size, and all the measurements of all the sizes will be on the video as well. But as you can see, fits this cushion quite perfect. You know, there's a lot of give, but they're elasticated. There's a kind of, even in the material, there's elastication in the material. So I really like them. And not a bad fit. Cost wise, you know, I've done the whole of Millie for less than £100. If we were to get these professionally upholstered, or even if we were going to buy the material and get them done professionally, or even learn to buy a sewing machine and learn it ourselves, the time, the effort, I think price wise, these get a DK Goes Wild recommendation, because they're simple, they're easy, they're transferable. So, you know, in a few years time, hopefully many years time, when, you know, don't let Millie hear, but she's an old girl, we can take them off and move them to another motorhome, because pretty much the cushions are standard. We've got different sizes, so we've got the 3-seaters, the single-seaters. You can mix and match. And also for £100, you know, if they don't fit the new motorhome, we can just order some more. But I don't see many YouTube video reviews on the Shein products, so here you go. I'm quite happy with them. Now where we're going to struggle is with the smaller cushions here, where you can see there's kind of quite a lot of give. But we were thinking either putting Velcro fasteners or something, just to kind of give them a bit more stability. But even then, you know, they fit okay, and I'll show you the kind of, I'll do the video at the end of what they look like. But I also bought some of these clips from Amazon, and they've just got metal clips on the end, and they extend slightly, but they also reduce, and also they're elasticated. So I think with these, with the bigger cushions or the seat cushions, where there is a little bit of give. Let me see, I put that up here. I was thinking, I'll put one here, and then pull that, and then put one here. That makes it slightly more tight on the other side. What's that looking like already? It's already up, it's looking a lot better. I was thinking maybe pulling in. I mean, these are not that expensive. Let's see if I do on this end. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. The problem is with these, I know you can see it's quite gathering here, but because it's quite stretchy, I'll have to play around with these to try to get the best kind of configuration. I wonder if that do there. We've got 4 per cushion, so we'll put that one here. That's quite cool. And what I did with the back cushions, because there's actually so much give, I don't know if you can see on the camera, I've doubled it over. So kind of put that end over here and this end over here. So I've kind of doubled it over on the corners. And what it's created is a very neat and well packaged cushion. You can see how on there, and again I'll do some end to ends. There's a bit of give on the ends here, as you can see, but you don't really see that. So against the wall, they go really well. And there you go. So that back cushion looks. And the front cushion is nicely held in place. So there you go. Definitely one of the jobs I wish I'd done sooner. So much easier than I thought it was going to be, and a lot more cheaper than I thought it was going to be. You know, including the sponge, the covers, everything came under, I think, £100. I'll tally it all up and put all the details on there. The service was brilliant. Fitting them was easy. The quality was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. What put me off originally with the ordering the Shein, however it's pronounced, covers was the price. It was too cheap. You know, if something's too good to be true, then I struggle to believe it's going to be any good. And I'm really impressed with it. As you can see, it's brilliant quality. I'm very happy. Don't worry, Jess will be on the other videos. Just she's been busy this last couple of weeks, and apparently cushions and cushion covers are my responsibility. No, she's doing curtains, so we're going to strip her all out and paint her. So we're going to take the cushions that we've just covered out and start doing some painting and getting some curtains. And again, any recommendations, website links, etc. for curtains. We've got obviously the window curtains to do, the front cab curtains and the door curtains to replace. We're going to give Millie a good paint. Can't decide on the handles yet. I think I'm going to leave the handles wooden. But again, if you've painted your motorhome, then please let me know. Send me some links. I'd love to look at what you've done to yours, and hopefully, click subscribe, follow us on our progress as we update, upgrade, make Millie even more prettier than she already is. Again, thanks if you've already subscribed. If you're not, and according to YouTube, 50% of you who are watching this have not subscribed. So it does help the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. So please click subscribe, like, notify, etc. Comment below as well. That always helps, and it's always nice to realise that people are actually interested in some of this stuff. And certainly if you've got any recommendations for colours, painting, what do you think will go with these cushions? I don't care, I'm a man. I only have 2 colours in my head. That's black, white, and I guess a green. I have no idea what colours match. That's what Jess's department's in for, and hopefully I'm getting excited. We're going to make Millie look very pretty, ready for the festival season next year. And also we're going to do some winter adventures because I've got a diesel heater coming as well. So stay tuned to find out what I bought, how I'm going to use it, where we're going to fit it, etc. Anyway, till the next time, YouTubers, catch you later.